Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to call Google Assistant using your earbuds SOUNDCORE R50i. So by default, to call Google Assistant you need to press 2 times at the touch area on your left earbud. Touch area is located at the back side of the earbuds. Right here at the top we have a SOUNDCORE icon, and this is actually a touch area, so you just press 2 times, 1, 2. Maybe, oh yeah, okay, it worked. So it called Gemini because on this phone we set up Gemini, not Google Assistant, but if you set up Google Assistant, you will call Google Assistant. Now, I'm going to show you how to customize it. So, as I said, by default we have double tap at the left earbud, but we can open SOUNDCORE application, and if you add your earbuds to the application, you will see it at the device list. Tap on it, and then go to the controls. And right here, as you can see, it's set for the double tap, so we can select something else, let's say single tap, and as you can see right here we have voice assistant. You just tap on it, or we can make it also for the right earbud. Let's say I wanna add it for the right single press, and now let's check it. So I press 1 time, and it also worked. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!